Hi students, we learn all the lessons, right? Okay, now we are moving to book C. Okay, see book C is here and now take page number 1. Okay, in Valaudia and me, first lesson we learn Valaudia and me. In that lesson, what we learn? What is the grammar we learn? Yes, idioms. What is mean by idioms? Idioms means it has the specific meaning for such a word, right? There is one word, for that word there is a specific meaning. Yes, already we learned in the first class, right? So, now we are going to do the exercise for the idioms. Now, take page number 1, fill in the blanks with appropriate idioms. You can do the calculation yourself if you don't want to dash for it. What is the answer will come? Take my word. What is the answer? Take my word. Take my word. It has the specific meaning, right? Okay, next one. The little girl was able to dash and save the boat from drowning. What will come? Yes, think on her feet. What is the meaning for think on her feet? It has a specific meaning. What meaning? We want to think deeply. We just don't want to think as a tip. Like that it is the meaning. Okay. Next one. We should dash before we decide to cancel the plan. Explore all avenues. Explore all avenues. For these idioms there is the specific meaning. Okay, I searched dash but could not find my max books. What is the answer will come here? I found all the places, here, there, up, down, all places. How we can say high and low? Through the idiom we can say high and low. Yes, next one. The police searched the apartment with a dash for any remaining shred of evidence. What is the answer will come? Fine tooth comb. Fine tooth comb. Okay, next is sixth one. Vimal was about to dash about the party when I nudged him to stop. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means spread. Yes, spill the beans. Okay, next one, page number 2. Rewrite the sentence using appropriate idioms. Okay, we want to use the idioms carefully. See here, I went through the luggage very carefully but could not find the medicines. என் லக்கேஜில் ஃபுல்லாக அங்கேயும் இங்கேயுமா தேடி பார்த்தேன், ஆனாலும் எனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கல? மெடிசன்ஸ் கிடைக்கல. ஸோ விச் இஸ் த ஆன்சர்? அங்கே இங்கேயுமா தேடி பார்த்தேன். சி வெரி கேர்ஃபுல்லி. வெரி கேர்ஃபுல்லி இஸ் எ நார்மல் வேர்ட். பட் ஹியர் வாட் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின்? வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் idioms. Idioms means we can use the word high and low. So cut down the very carefully and write high and low. High and low. And now second one. None of the medicines had any effect on my backache, but yoga and aerobics were very effective. Were very effective. How we can use this change into idioms? Worked like a charm. Okay, worked like a charm. Turun vela paatanga. Okay, now next one. Never give up before you have tried all the available options. எதையுமே ட்ரை பண்ணாமல் முடிவு எடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ which is the idiom come here? Yes, explored, tried. Cut down the tried and write In the second sentence, we want to strike out the were very effective and write work like a charm. In the third sentence, we want to cut down the tried and write explode. Okay, explode. Then cut down the available options and write cut down available options and write avenues. Okay, next one, fourth one. If you take every setback so personally, you will never be able to complete the project. So personally you want to cut. So personally is not the idiom, so you want to cut and write to your heart. To your heart, which means truthfully we want to do, right? Next one, once you learn the secret and effective ways of doing these tasks, you will be able to do them much faster. If you know the tricks of the task, means you can, if you use the tricks means you can do it faster. So what we want to strike out, secret and effective ways of doing these tasks. Strike out that things and write tricks of the trade. Tricks of the trade. Then you will be able to these tasks. Do them is there, no? So strike out the do them and write these tasks. These tasks. Okay, these tasks much faster is already there. Okay, next one, complete the passage with proper subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement we want to fill. First one, colors dash variety to our lives. Bring, not brings, bring. Just tick. Next one, they dash an important part of all our festivals. They are, A-R-E-R. Next, we dash several colors. We use, U-S-E, use. Next one, colors like green and yellow dash us feel jolly and energetic. Makes, M-A-K-E-S. Next one, blue dash us serenity. Gives, G-I-V-E-S. Next one, thus nature dash tune itself with such pleasant colors. Has, H-A-S, has. To surround ourselves with heartwarming colors dash the surest way of leading a positive life. Is, I-S, is. Next one, writing junction. See here one poem is given. From you want to read the poem, full poem and find the meaning for the poem and then you want to answer the question. Okay, this is comprehension, poem comprehension. We already learned in 5th standard, right? Poem comprehension. There is one poem, you just go through that poem, then you want to read the question. For that question, which is the answer is correct in the poem, from that you want to write. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, see here, leaving the safety of a rocky ledge, the snail set out on his long journey across a bushy path. One snail, this is the snail poem. Snail is going in the way. Snail means nothing, we know, right? The grass is greener on the other side. ஒரு ரோட்டுக்கு அந்த சைடு ஃபுல்லாக க்ரீனிஷாக இருக்குது, அங்கே போய் சாப்பிடணும்னு சொல்லி போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு. ஃபார் டெண்டர் லீஃப் ஆர் ஜூசி ஸ்டெம் he will brave the hazards of the road, not made to dodge or wave or run. He must avoid each threatening step, chancing his luck, keeping his tentacles crossed. மெதுவாக நத்தை ஊந்து போகுது. அப்போ அந்த சைடு ரோடை கிராஸ் பண்ணி போகணுன்ட்டு போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு. தோ ஆல் unaware of the dangers of being squashed, he does not pass or flinch. A cart wheel misses by an inch, which means ஒரு காட்டுனா ஒரு சக்கரம், ஓகேவா, மாட்டு வண்டி மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒரு காட், ஒரு வெஹிக்கிள் இஸ் கம்மிங், ஓகேவா, வண்டி வருது. அப்போ அதோட வீலில் நைப்படுற மாதிரி போகுது, ஜஸ்ட் மிஸ்ஸில் எஸ்கேப் ஆகி அப்படியே ஊந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கு. But slithers on intent on dinner, here's there at last his prize, rich leaf mud where the grass grows tall. I salute you, snail, somehow you have made me feel quite small. அது அவ்வளோ சின்ன அனிமலாக இருந்தாலும் அது ஊந்து ஊந்து அதோட கோலை போய் அச்சீவ் பண்ணி சாப்பிட ஆரம்பிச்சு. ஓகே, ஃப்ரம் திஸ் வி வாண்ட் டு ரைட் த ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஃபார் தீஸ் கொஸ்டின். சி ஹியர், வேர் இஸ் த ஸ்னெயில் கோயிங்? ஸ்னெயில் எங்கே பார்த்து போகுது? ரோடை கிராஸ் பண்ணி போகுது. ஸோ ஹவு வி வாண்ட் டு ரைட் த ஆன்சர்? த ஸ்னெயில் இஸ் crossing the road to go to the other side. Yes, other side ரோடுக்கு போகுது. Next, what next question? Where was he before setting out on his journey? இந்த சீன் வந்து எங்க நடக்கு? The snail was living on a rocky ledge. ஒரு ராக்ல ஒரு விளிம்புல நின்னுட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகே, அதுல இருந்து இந்த செட்டிங்ஸ் வந்து நடக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், அதில் இருந்து இங்கே பார்த்து போகுது. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட், வாட் ஹர்டல்ஸ் டஸ் ஹி பாஸ் ஆன் ஹிஸ் வே? ஹி பிரேவ்ஸ் த டேஞ்சர் ஆஃப் பீயிங் ஸ்குவாஷ்ட். ஹி மிஸ்ஸஸ் என்ன நடக்குது? என்ன விபரீதமான ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து அது சந்திக்கு? ஒரு காட்னா வண்டியோட வீலுக்குள்ளே கொஞ்சம் நான் நஞ்சிருக்கும், ஜஸ்ட் எஸ்கேப் ஆகி போகுது. அதுதான் இங்கே உள்ள மீனிங். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், வை டஸ் ஹி வாண்ட் டு கோ டு த அதர் சைடு? எதுக்காண்டி அது அதர் சைடுக்கு போகணும்னு நினைக்கி? ஏன்? அதோட ஃபுட்டு வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் சைட் ஆஃப் த ரோடில் இருக்குது, ஸோ அங்கே போகணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, த ஸ்னெயில் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு கோ டு த அதர் சைட் ஆஸ் இட் விஷஸ் டு ஈட் இட்ஸ் டின்னர் விச் இஸ் த க்ரீனர் கிராஸ் ஆன் த அதர் சைட் ஆஃப் த ரோட். திஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். Likewise, you want to write. Okay, first lesson, for first lesson I explain you how we want to write the poem comprehension. Okay, this is come for the exam also, not same poem will come, another poem I give it for the exam. Okay, so be clearly, you want to understand the poem, then you want to read the question, then understand the question and write the apt answer. Okay, see, self assessment, it is your own thing. Reading comprehension, on my own, with help. On my own means நானே செஞ்சேன்னா you want to tick here. With help means வேற ஒருத்தவங்களோட உதவியோட செஞ்சேன். இப்போ now I am able to do means you can on my own, tick in on my own. Otherwise now also you are not able to do with your own means with help you want to tick. Okay, next lesson, occasion. In the occasion lesson we learn compound words, right? Yes, what is mean by compound words? Compound word means there is two words, two different words. Yes, two different words, it has the different meaning, but it join and form a new word, new meaning. Yes, see here, sun, flower. Sun is different, flower is different, and both connect, both join and form a new word, new flower, right? Sun means Suryan, flower means Poo. Yes, it is different meaning, it is different meaning, and both join and form a different meaning. Sunflower, it is a what? Yes, Surya Gandhi Poo. Yes, like this. See here, the little boy had a ladybug. Yes, I taught two types. Yes, open and closed and hyphen. Three types of compound words I taught in the class. Yes, in the last class, right? Yes, open and open means we want to give some space. Closed means no gap is there, and hyphen means there is one small hyphen is there in between the words, two words, right? See here, the little boy had, which will come a second one, there is closed compound word. Closed compound word means there is no gap. Ladybug, jointly we want to write. Next one, charity organizations from all over the world send aid to the Nepal. Which one will come? First one, earthquake. Okay, next, among all the stalls at the exhibition, the game stall had the highest footfall. Which one will come? Hyphen will not come, so first is the answer, footfall. Next one, It was a relief to enter the air conditioned, hyphenated. First one is right. Next one. We passed a field of dash on our way here. Sunflower is closed. Okay, va? We must write coincide. For example, I am giving and explaining separately, but we want to write closed. So, which is the answer here? Sunflower. First one. Yes. Next one. The tourists were spellbound. Spellbound is a closed type compound word. So, second one. Next, Rembrandt completed his masterpiece. It is the second one. There is closed, no separate, okay, not open. Next one. Sweta brought a jar of homemade, which is the answer? Second one. We want to just write in the open compound word. Home, space, then made, okay. Next one. The movie received worldwide acclaim for its intriguing storyline and musical soundtrack, which is the answer? Second, soundtrack. Okay, next one. Complete the crossword with the help of the clues. First one, see, across means this type. We use these when we want to eat Chinese the authentic way. Chinese use the sticks and you eat. What is that? Yes, chopsticks, right? Chopsticks. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. It is first one. Next, fifth one. Do something excessively. நம்ம ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கோம்னா அது எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா இருந்ததுன்னு என்ன செய்வோம்? Overthrow. Okay. Overthrow. Okay, next, second one. When we want to listen to music without disturbing the people around us, we use these. நம்ம பக்கத்தில் உள்ளவங்கள டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாமல் ஏதாவது மியூசிக் கேட்கணும்னு நினச்சா நம்ம என்னதை வச்சு கேட்போம்? ஹெட்ஃபோன், ரைட்? H is here, likewise we want to write headphone. Second one, headphone, HEADPHONE, headphone. Next one. Another word for perspective. Perspectiveங்கிறதுக்கு இன்னொரு word என்னது? Viewpoint. Third one, viewpoint. Okay, next one, fourth one. We use this while drying our clothes on the clothes line. Fourth one, yes, cloth spin. Okay. Okay, next one, rhyming words. It is very easy, right? Rhyming words. End of the sound will be same to all. See, home. What we can write? Dome, roam, foam, anything we can write. Okay, right? Roam, foam. ROAM, FOAM. And next one, throw, crow, flow. Yes? Next one, strong, wrong, song. Next, talk, walk, block. Next one, soft, loft, croft. Soar, core, bore. Okay? Next we are moving to subjunctive. Okay, subjunctive means nothing. What we use is, it is an imaginary thing. Okay, it is not a natural thing, it is an imaginary thing. See, when the new mall opens, I will be the first one to visit it. How we can write it? I wish I were the first one to visit the new mall when it opens. Okay, once again I tell, you can write, I wish I were the first one to visit the new mall when it opens. Okay, next one. See, in the next one, will is changed to could. So, strike out the will and write could. And third one, advised is changed into insisted. Okay, advised normally we can say Insisted. Insisted is different. Okay, imaginary thing. Okay, next one. Can help. Can help is changed into. Can help is changed into could have helped. Could have helped. Next, fifth one. Asked. Asked is changed into demanded. Demanded. Okay. Next one. G, which means seventh one. Okay. The coach commanded everyone. Just I say you can write. The coach commanded everyone to come for practice on time. Here the coach wants everyone. Yes, wants is changed into commanded. The coach commanded everyone to come for practice on time. So, everyone you cut down and write commanded. Okay, next eighth one. For the sixth one you find the answer. Okay, and the eighth one, according to the committee. So, how we can write? The committee recommended. The committee recommended all the schools to extend their summer vacation. The committee recommended all the schools to extend their summer vacations. Okay, next one, comprehension junction. It is easy, it is your homework. You just read the poem and find the meaning for the poem, then answer this question. And self-assessment, you can do it in your own. Okay students, I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you students.